The Valori Group, Law Enforcement Efficiency Studies. Utilizing over 25 years of professional law enforcement and military experience, the Valori Group will conduct a comprehensive efficiency study of your law enforcement agency's operations. Benchmarking your department in over 24 categories, the Valori Group will analyze the agency's strengths and weaknesses and provide an effective game plan for future changes. With all of the current challenges in law enforcement, it is imperative that you ensure the highest level of integrity, training, policies, and procedures in your department. Some of the categories that will be scrutinized for improvement will be internal affairs, information technology, budgeting and grants, social media and public relations, dispatch services, facilities, training, diversity, equity, and inclusion, written policies and procedures, and more. Contact the Valori Group today to learn how we can help improve your law enforcement agency and community relations for the betterment of the community you serve.